Hello, and salams, everyone. My name is Savera, and I'm so glad you could come and join me today. It's a quick, what can I say? It's a project I'm working on. I just want to share it with you. This is the first Tracy Fox project that I have ever done, and I just loved her printables this time, and they were the frosted forest. So I've printed those out, and I'm going to be using those printables. It was a square printable, so it was perfect for a traveler's notebook style journal. And this is some leather I had, and this is very sturdy, thick leather. Is genuine leather. And it was used by a friend of mine. She made some bags, and some leather was left over. She gave it to me, so I made this traveler's notebook style cover with it. It's very thick, very nice, sturdy leather. So what I'm planning to do is I have to send this cover off to my printer, and he's going to print one of the images from the kit on top here with UV printing. So I hope it turns out nice. Until then, we are going to work on the signatures that I've made. What I want to do is I want to teach you how to bind just normal pamphlet binding with 3 holes. So I'm just going to teach you how to do that in this video, and I'm going to take these out and get my journal ready for printing. So I'm going to send this off today. I've used white elastics so that they go with a frosty look, and I'll just open this up and send this off. So then I'm going to So this, let's hope, I'm going to ask him to print something which is, let me take out the image that I've chosen. For example, if it's this one, for example, if we have it printed, it's going to be like this. I want it to come like this. So let me take out the image that I've chosen, and he'll have to, the printer will have to flip, I'll have to flip the, let me see, I'll have to flip the image of the one that I've chosen, because the bird comes at the back side, on the left side of the image. I've chosen the one with a bird. Oh no, I don't know where it is. Okay, let's just go through them together. So this is the first one. These are the covers. All the covers have these icicles. This icicle type, there were 4 of them. So I just made them the covers for the 4 inserts that I've made. And these are absolutely beautiful printables. They are amazing, and I've just printed them out on 100 GSM copy paper, not the photo paper that I usually use, but I really like the colors. It just gave me wonderful colors with my Epson inkjet printer. So this was one option. Yes, I really like this image. So this was one option that I thought. But then I have decided because then this house is going to come in front like this, but I wanted the bird to come in front. So I've printed something on the back of each of these beautiful printables, the beautiful forest printables, the Frosted Forest by Tracy Fox, and the covers are thick cardstock. I got those printed off from a printer because my printer does not So my printer does not print heavy cardstock. Look at this. It's absolute. So the print on the cardstock is really stunning. The colors are very deep and defined, and it's really good. The the printing of the covers. So I'm just going through this. We're going to bind these together. I have simple binding. I just wanted to do this tutorial for anyone who is new to junk journaling and who wants to look at this. So stunning, so beautiful. But the only problem is one eye comes there and one eye comes there. So it's like this when you fold it up, but nevertheless it looks beautiful. It's okay. So I've printed something on the back of each of the printables, and I've I've color dyed these pages. In the back of my bedroom, there's a floor which is made with. So there's a basement. I'm on the ground floor, and then there's a basement right outside my window. So my husband just put some steel flooring on there, and the flooring has these holes in them. So that's when I dye my paper, I put them like this, the papers, and they come out like this. Just show you an example. Yeah, this is how it looks. I just put it down, the wet paper, and the marks of the holes come like this. And absolutely, I just love him. The color, I've tried to match the colors with the journal, the blue. I've used food coloring for this, and of course when I want to find the image, it's just not coming up anywhere. It's the one with the orange bird. So probably in this one. Didn't I just... Okay, so this is one image, and this one is another. Looks similar, but these are, and then again the eyes are coming on the front and the back.